Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to erase your recent searches or history on Google Chrome using your computer. So, if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to launch your Google Chrome, then just go ahead and click on the three little dots at the upper right corner of your screen and click on History. Also, what you can do is to press Ctrl on your keyboard and H. And as you can see, you are now on the Chrome history. So here, I want you to do is to check any history that you want to delete and click on the delete button at the upper right side of your screen. And also, what you can do is to click Clear Browsing Data here at the left side of your screen. And here, you can click Clear Data. And you can just go ahead and uncheck this too if you only want to clear your browsing history. And also, you can choose the time range, last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, and all the time. Okay? Now, once you've done that, just go ahead and click on Clear Data and click OK. Got it. So, that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.